Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your discard cache. Now, if you have discard open, you want to go ahead and close it. And if you're not sure if it's fully closed, right click on the taskbar and simply open up Task Manager. Within the Task Manager, let me go ahead and move it here so that you can see. Check to see if you have discard running here. And if you find it, just simply right click on it and go ahead and end task. Now, once you end task, right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and click on run, and you want to type in app data. Now this is going to open up your app data. Click on roaming right here, and within the list search for discard and open up discard. Now look for the cache folder. So you want to look for cache, code cache, and you also want to look for GPU cache, these folders. And all you have to do is just go ahead and press shift delete on your keyboard and hit enter, which is going to select yes, and you're going to delete these folders. Now once you delete all these folders, guys, you want to go ahead and try to open up this card, and it's going to clear the cache for you. And that's it.